Hello, my plant buddies. I am back to provide you with some valuable information that you might have been taking for granted, which I had been doing for quite some time. I just want to share with you the value of leaf mulch. This golden item, I call it the golden item, that happens at the onset of fall and sometimes going into winter. And many of us are annoyed by it. I used to be annoyed by it because it is so much and it's all over the place. And for people like me who are afraid of snakes and things like that, the thought of anything like that would make us just want to scrape it all up and get rid of it fast because it's not something that we ever thought to use. You know, all these leaves all over the place, and some of them are in areas where you can't even get to. But no, it's not so. As they fall off the trees, and they're all over the place, looking rather messy, I might add, or so we think. We just watch it, but I used to just watch it and I'm like, oh my God, here we go. All this work, all this raking up of all these leaves and putting them in bags. And oh my God, what a chore. Nah, have to get rid of them. That's usually the thought. Hey, my plant buddies. It's a little bit dark out here, but I thought I'd share this with you. I got some leaves, some fallen leaves from my daughter's family that they were going to throw away. And let me tell you, this stuff makes the best mulch ever. I'm like, no, don't do that. Bring it on over here. So we're just now spreading it in a couple of the garden areas that we're going to be needing for the spring area, for the springtime, excuse me. It looks a little bit tacky right now, but trust me, it is so beneficial to the garden. See, this is a pile here that he hasn't finished doing yet. And this is just one side of the garden that we're doing it. Another side that they just finished spreading a whole bag of these leaves on. It is so nice and thick and rich, and all it'll do is just enrich the soil as the time goes by. This area needs some more, but you can see what we did with it there. Just spread it all out. This is like a gem to have something like this. I don't have trees in my backyard that will yield this kind of falling leaves. So whenever I get them, I grab them. Yep. So if you didn't know, leaves, ask your neighbors, ask anybody if they have leaves that they have raked up over the fall and the winter that they're going to throw away. Ask for them and spread them out in your yard, even on the lawn, anywhere, because it's beneficial and it's really good, rich stuff.